This video shows a motion capture application in the context of design for serviceability. Design for serviceability aims at designing optimized systems where maintenance operations are easy and intuitive in order to reduce time to repair and service costs. Motion capture is used to track the real user's actions and digitize the human movements in order to create the operator digital twin that faithfully replicates the real user behavior. Thanks to a mixed reality setup, users can have a realistic feedback during task simulation by handling physical objects, while motion capture records the user movements and move back into the virtual environment with a real-time synchronization. Virtualization allows considering the user needs related to accessibility, visibility, and reachability in a very fast and intuitive way. It also allows effectively visualizing the human swept volumes and carry out comfort assessment according to different ergonomic techniques. The digitized mannequin can be finally used to compare different design alternatives into the virtual environment and improve the product design, facilitating maintenance actions and considering their impact during the early design stages, avoiding late design changes. Experimentation on industrial case studies proved that this environment was an effective tool for companies to support design for serviceability. This research activity was part of the CREAM project, Human-Centered Agricultural Machinery Product and Process Design. The research has been developed in collaboration with CNH Industrial and co-founded by the Emilia Romagna Region.